is probably going to be the most real video that you see on crypto, on the bull run that we're in the middle of right now. My name is Roshan. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. And I just want to let you guys know that the honest truth is 90% of people are probably going to lose money in this bull run. I know that sounds kind of harsh. I know we're all in it to make money, to change our lives, to change our families' lives, to change the trajectory of the path that we're on now. But the honest truth is, it's a bloodbath. It's you versus another person. It's a one-side game, meaning if you are selling, that means somebody else on the other side is losing. Somebody else is picking up what you are getting rid of at the highest prices, whatever that may be. And I just want to let you guys know that 90 to 95% of you guys are probably going to lose money. Now, in the last bull run, I made a good amount of money, but I lost a lot because I was chasing the next best thing. Shiny object syndrome. It's terrible. It's going to come this time in this cycle as well. And I want you guys to be aware that just because you see people that are making money from it doesn't mean that you have to sell your bags in order to hop in to the next best thing. Also, it's important to know that some of these biggest crypto YouTubers, crypto influencers, they don't have your best interest in mind. When they start making posts with laser eyes, or they start saying that crypto Bitcoin is going to 300,000, it's different this time, it's a super cycle, that's when you want to be the most cautious. Now, in hindsight, last cycle in 2020, when we seen people like Tom Brady, Michael Saylor putting on laser eyes as their crypto profile picture, we should have known that it was time to take profits. But no, we didn't. What did we do? We wrote it out thinking that Bitcoin was about to get to 100K. There's this really cool example that I'm going to live by. It's when I start taking screenshots of my portfolio. That's how I know it's time for me to sell. Right? This time going into, there's a lot more retail investors that are coming into the markets. And who do you think they're listening to? They're listening to the big YouTubers, the people like Ben, who is part of BitBoy Crypto. Not anymore. He's deranged. I don't know what happened to this guy, but he was calling for 100,000 Bitcoin, $100,000 Bitcoin, saying he has inside sources. All this nonsense, and that's leading people astray. Now, their price target for Bitcoin this cycle around, they're saying that it's $100,000. But I want you guys to be extra cautious. I want you guys to start thinking about how you're going to take profits. I want you guys to start thinking about your strategy. Because me personally, yes, Bitcoin could go to 100,000, but it probably won't. It might sell off hard around 90K, around 85K, because you have to remember it's a psychological thing. If everyone is thinking that Bitcoin is going to go to 100,000, don't you think people are going to start pulling profits at 99, 98, 97? Because people don't want to wait for that psychological number. I want you guys to do your due diligence. Don't invest your entire bag if you don't plan to take profits, and don't listen to other people when it comes to taking profits. It's a psychological thing. It's a bloodbath. We're all in it to put our money in, but only one person's coming out of it. Think about it like this. Alex Becker said the other day, it's like a Roman Colosseum. We're all here to fight. We're all here to throw our chips in the bucket, but only one of us is taking those chips out. You want to be able to get the most out of it, and in order to do that, you want to do the exact opposite of what the big YouTubers are saying. I know this was a completely different video than what I usually post, but I want you guys to be alert, be aware, right? 90% of you guys are going to lose money. So if you're in that 10%, when you start seeing profits, don't chase after the next best thing. Don't consolidate into other projects. Take profit, because even if it's 5,000, 10,000, that could change your life. And when you do take profits, delete Twitter, don't look at YouTube videos of crypto again, and just go about your day. Anyways, this has been your boy Ro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I will truly appreciate it. And follow me on my social media. I'll see you guys in my next video.